is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. Follow me over on Instagram at jamie.p12. On this day, my husband is giving his dog a bath. Thor, I've tried to give him a bath. It doesn't work. He ends up giving me a bath, but he'll stand there for him. So he's giving him a bath. With this video, I wanted to share with you guys how I keep my house from smelling like animals. We have 2 dogs and 2 cats, so I'm going to share with you guys how I keep it smelling good in here and everything. So now it is Bailey's turn for his bath. He don't give me no problem. He just stands there. He's the good one. The day before I had shaved him. I didn't film doing that because that's a process. That takes, grooming him takes all day to do. So I didn't film doing that. But I'm just going to give him a bath and get all that extra hair off of him and make him smell good. So now I'm going to go in with my Lysol all-purpose cleaner and spray the tub down and clean it really well after giving the boys a bath. And it is a Scoop Fresh litter box, and it has this, and this is the kitty litter we use. This is actually $5 for a big bag at Walmart, and this will last us about a month. You put half of the bag in, and with this litter it catches all the odors, and we only have to change it every 2 weeks, but you could get away with 30 days. So right here I am just going to start by pulling all the dog covers off of the dog beds, because I'm going to put them on the tub and strip them because they're nasty. And dogs, especially Thor, he stays outside pretty much all day. So I'm going to put a scoop of borax, a scoop of baking soda, and a scoop of Tide powdered laundry. And as y'all can see, it was pretty gross. So now I am just going to grab all of my throw blankets and toss those in the washer and wash them. I wash those I do a deep wash on them because the dogs do lay on them and they do get kind of smelly. So I like to do a deep wash, and I'm using Downy fabric softener, color bleach, and I will be using some Gain pods as well. now I'm just going to go in with my Mrs. Meyer spray and spray down the coffee table and my end tables and the TV stand and get those wiped down and dusted really well. So here it has been an hour, so I'm going to give that a stir, and that's just really dirty and nasty, y'all. And I am going to take all of my blankets and put them in the dryer, and I'm going to use some of the Downy dryer sheets, and I am going to throw in all the dog's toys. I use a little bit of laundry baking soda just for the odors and stuff because the dogs have that in their mouth and they play with them. And I used a tablespoon of vinegar because I don't like to wash their toys with laundry soap. And so now I am going to use some Bath and Body Works air freshener essential oils to put in there, and that will make your house smell so good. Every time somebody comes over, they don't realize I have animals until they see them because the house smells good, and this just by using that. So now I am making some lavender spray. It is a tablespoon of alcohol, 25 drops of lavender essential oil, and then it's a cup of water, and then with your lavender oils and your alcohol, you're going to shake it really well to combine both of them together. And the alcohol, it keeps the essential oil from staining your furniture. So now you're just going to add a cup of water and your linen spray is ready. At one point I was buying my lavender linen spray from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like $10. But I can make it myself so much cheaper, and I go through this stuff like crazy because I spray it all over my couch, on the beds, even use it for a air freshener as well. So now I am going to go in and vacuum the couch really good to get all that pet hair, the cat hair, the dog hair off of there. So I am literally vacuuming every inch of my couch. I am trying to make sure I get all of that dog hair off of the couch, and then I will go in with a linen spray, the lavender linen spray that I just made, and spray the whole couch with it. So now I'm going to go in with my cordless Dyson vacuum. My husband bought this for me 2 years ago, and I love this vacuum. I can vacuum my carpet, my throw rugs, as well as my hardwood floors. This is just one of my favorite vacuums I have ever had. So now I'm going to go in and shampoo my carpets. I had actually cleaned the carpet a week ago. But what I like to do is take some fabric softener of your choice, and I just put a little bit in, about a capful, and I use that to shampoo the carpet. Not so much shampooing it because it has already been done, but with the fabric softener, it makes your rugs and your carpet so soft, and it also makes it smell good as well. Just a little carpet freshener, and it doesn't stain or anything. I like to use the fabric softener just to freshen up my carpet and everything. Like and subscribe, and when you hit the bell notification button, it will let you know every time I upload a new video. And go follow me over on Instagram at jamie.p12. So it has been 5 hours, and that water is disgusting, y'all. So disgusting. I will be doing this like once every 2 weeks, and just by stripping them after they got washed, they smell so much better. And I didn't get a clip of what they look like after washed, but they came a lot. They were clean and smell so good. They didn't smell like the dogs, and the cats also lay in the dog beds as well, so there was no odors from either of the animals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this helps you guys with tips and tricks for your homes with your pets. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys next week. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. And like and subscribe.